Hi, so in this video I will share with you how I made $3,866 in 2 days with affiliate marketing. So let's dive into it. And if you stay until end of this video, let me remind you, if you subscribe to my channel, you are getting my free $500 value bonus just for you. And remember, it's going to be a special bonus. It's not some crap, it's the real bonus that is worth over $500. So stay tuned. Okay, so how I made over $3,000 in 2 days. I will share with you exactly step-by-step method that I was applying in order to achieve these results. So some of my students here, you can see some of the results over here. Now you can add me on my Facebook later. I will share the links below this video. So you can add me on my Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram so we can connect. You can see some of the results that some of the students were getting. For example, here, she spent $20 on Facebook ads and got back $176 in profit. Initial sales $2,600. So you can see the rest of the videos. But now let's go into the system of how I was able to do it. Now over here you can see the image. I have 3-step process. Now maybe you have heard about it, but let me explain you more into details step by step so you can understand the exact framework that I was using to achieve these results. Now remember, if you stay until the last slide that I'm sharing with you, you will get for free my $500 bonus. So the first step is Facebook ad, right? Because I'm using Facebook ad, of course. So Facebook ad. Now the second step you see is LP, which stands for a landing page, which is basically a website. But the important thing is what kind of website, what kind of landing page. It's not any ClickFunnels website. If you were thinking about it, it's not a ClickFunnels. It's a cheaper option, but it's not only cost efficient, it's also profit efficient. Because remember, there are lots of affiliates in the marketplace, especially promoting, let's say, Clickbank products, right? That everyone is having the same layout, the same message, the same ad copy, the same targeting. So that's why there is, let's say, sophistication or competition in the market, right? So we make a special mini change over here that the most affiliates are not making. So I will share with you later how we do that. But first of all, let me share those 3 steps. So first step is Facebook ad. The second step is landing page. And from the landing page, we send visitors to the offer, right? So with Facebook ad, what is important is that you have the right image. Now what image is great? I'm making my own images. I'm not outsourcing that because I know how to make the images, and I can also teach you how to do it in the next video. Or also give you done for you images on video ads. So basically the important thing about images is to capture the attention of the visitor, right? When someone is scrolling on their phone, let's say I'm scrolling to my phone right now on my Facebook, and let's say that I see something, some ad, right? I'm in different frame of mind, state of mind right now. I'm just going through checking maybe what some friends are saying, what family members are texting me, right? Some different state of mind. Now let's say that some Facebook ad appears here. When I'm most likely to click on it, if it's going to catch my attention. So that's why it's important that you all create open loops. And let's say pattern interrupts with the image itself. So basically when the person look at the image, they go like, what's that? You know, you create a little bit of ambiguity over there. So with the ad copy, the same thing. We have the 4-step approach, which is ADA. It stands for attention, interest, desire, action. So basically, you capture their attention with your headline, you get their interest with your ad copy, and then inside the ad copy, you also invoke the desire, and at the end, you offer the solution, which is basically call to action. Buy this product now, right? So this is what we do. And of course, targeting. Now, targeting is really important. You know that on Facebook, you have many different audiences, and depend on what audience you target, what message you put in front of them, it also depends what kind of results you're going to get. If you're going to lose money on ads or make profitable ads and getting commissions or sales, right? And this is what is our end goal. So with the targeting, I usually give to the people interests that are already working for me and other people. So basically, interest that the people are already looking for, are interested in, right? Because on Facebook you cannot use the keywords like on Google. So on Facebook you target by interests, and then after that you can of course do lookalike audiences and retargeting and stuff like that. But you have to start with interest first. And another important thing is that most affiliates don't know about is that you can do exclusions, right? Let's say that I have a special product, or let's say that the product is about law of attraction, manifestation niche, right? And let's say that I'm promoting it on Facebook with Facebook ads. Now, I can receive some hate or hateful comments on my ads from the people who are against law of attraction and manifestation. So those are usually people who are, like, for example, Christians, or people who are into Bible, Jesus and stuff like that. Of course, we cannot exclude people who are Muslims or who are Christians or Buddhists. We cannot exclude by religion. But what we can do is we can research about the interest that they are most likely to not like, and then exclude people. So basically we include people who already like what we have to offer, and then on the other side over here we exclude people who are most likely the people who will not like our content or our articles or our ads, right? So this is really important step. And then we had landing page. Now you will see most affiliates have really ugly, but it doesn't matter if it's ugly can convert really well, but they have really simple pages that are basically looking like scams. Basically you will see there is no content at all, there is no value for me, right? So another secret or the tip I'm going to give you, it's in your landing page. If you're using education based marketing, you'll most likely get a higher conversion than the people who only want to sell on the button. Like for example, have a video and then click here, and then it's going to redirect you to the Clickbank order page. It doesn't work so well with the quizzes. Maybe it can work, but with our method, the best we have seen the results are with education based marketing, basically content rich landing pages. And another method I'm using is VSL approach, which I can share with you one-on-one. If you connect with me, of course you can add me on my Facebook and I can give you more information. And another step over here, you can see the last step is offer. Basically you need to have a great offer that is quality offer with the, I suggest at least $100 plus upsells. And I'm having, for example, in the relationship niche, I promote an offer that costs $50 on the front end, and on the back end there is upsells for almost $200 altogether. So it's really a great way to make money on the back end. So you also have to know what is the desire of your market. If you want to convert sales, so what I do is I make sure that I have some kind of empathy, that I understand who is my market, who am I targeting, right? So how to find out? Simply by doing simple exercise. Ask yourself, what is the surface desire of your market? And then answer this for your prospect instead of them, right? Write down on your paper, and I say, if I could just, for example, if I could just have more freedom, or if I could just make more money, then I would have more freedom, right? So deep down the desire is to have more freedom, or losing weight, or having better relationship and stuff like that, right? You have to know what is the surface level desire and what is deep down real desires. So you have to describe your prospect basically. So here is the biggest secret that I can give you, because most of the people are not sharing that in their courses that you are buying from. So you have to know you have targeting stages of awareness. So basically on Facebook, right? Let's say that I have totally unaware cold audiences on Facebook, right? Then I have problem aware audiences, solution aware, niche aware, and offer aware audiences. So depend on which audience I'm targeting. For example, for totally unaware cold audience, if I promote my Clickbank product, I will basically use interest and lookalike audiences. But for offer aware and niche aware, I will use retargeting. So this is like really insights of information on what you can do to get better results with Facebook ads. So here you can see people ask themselves why I'm not getting any results, and this is because here you see they got a vegan over here, right? And you have a steak. So if you offer them a steak, basically they won't take it from you even you have the best steak in the world, because they are vegan. So it's the same thing with Clickbank and affiliate marketing. If you don't have if you don't target the right interest, the right audience, if you don't have the right quality offer in front of your prospects, you are wasting your money and your time. So you have to make sure that you have the right offer, hell yes offer. So what is hell yes offer? So that the prospect or the audience feel like they're stupid idiots if they don't buy your product, because it is such a great offer that they say yes. So make sure it's hell yes and not hell no. So what is my super bonus for you? My super bonus is Breakthrough Advertising book, which is basically PDF, but it's already written for you. It's done in the PDF material. So let me know below this video if you subscribe to my channel and connect with me one-on-one, either on Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp. I will give you this super bonus worth $500 for free. It's one of the best books that you can use on copywriting and psychology about marketing. It's really amazing book. It's old but really amazing, by Eugene Schwartz. So let me share with you some of the results over here. Let me go over here. So this is my Facebook. You can add me on my Facebook over here, and let me show you. Remember I told you about, okay, so you can see over here $3,866 payment net balance with affiliate marketing. So this is some of the results that you can achieve. And here, let me share you with here. So you can connect with me. I will share with you one of the slides. Just a moment. Okay, so you can connect with me one-on-one over here. I have the slide. Okay, and all the links are below this video, and you have my Instagram, WhatsApp, email, and Facebook. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want your super free bonus, let me know. Subscribe to this channel please, and connect with me one-on-one. Thank you for watching this video.